Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you for joining me. This video is a little bit different. It is not beard content, although I'm going to be talking to my fellow content creators in the online bearded community. 95% of us are relatively small and we don't really have tons of money coming back in. We don't have any revenue. So it's hard to, accomplish your goals and upgrade your channel if that's something that you're interested in. For me, for the first 2.5 years that I made beard content, it was not on my radar. I kind of just did it for a hobby and did what I did and enjoyed what I did and improved some of my things along the way. But once I kind of went down the road of affiliates and donations and super chats and some of that kind of stuff, I did find that having revenue coming back in, I could accomplish some of my goals a little bit faster. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is something called Buy Me a Coffee. All right, you can find that at buymeacoffee.com. I'll put a link below. You can check into that if you want. But you don't have to have 1,000 subscribers for someone to donate to your channel. All right, so buymeacoffee.com, unlike the super chat for YouTube, which takes 30%, buymeacoffee.com takes 5% only. It goes straight into your PayPal account. You don't have to wait until you hit a certain level, a certain threshold. If somebody gives you $5 coffee, you get the $4 and whatever, how many cents it is, right in your account instantly. All right, so you don't have to get to a $100 mark like you do for YouTube. You've got to have $100 before AdSense will pay you out from Google. So if you weren't sure how that works, there's a little a little behind the scenes thing there about some of that. So it's pretty cool. Actually, for my streaming software here, I'm using Ecamm Live for a Mac, but I've got this multi-widget. So if I'll send a test here. If I'm doing my live stream, and the main reason I looked into Buy Me a Coffee is because I've been doing multi-streams on Friday nights. I've been doing karaoke just for fun because I haven't been able to get out and perform for people. So I do karaoke. But people on my YouTube channel, they can just use the super chat, but people on Facebook that I was streaming to, they couldn't use that. So I wanted to figure out a way that I could kind of have a tip jar. So that's what I did. So with my Buy Me a Coffee, and it's got a widget, so I'm going to try to send a test. So we'll see if it comes through. Sometimes there's a little bit of a delay, but you kind of see what happens. It'll pop up on the screen if somebody makes a donation through Buy Me a Coffee. So pretty cool stuff. And hopefully that'll come through. Oh, there it is. New supporters. Someone bought me a coffee. Great work. So I'm able to customize that a little bit. So that was pretty fun being able to do that. So let me show you guys the website. All right, so here's the website. The neat thing is if someone wants to donate, they don't have to create an account. They just put in your information and then they can send their payment right to you. All right, so there's a lot of things you can do. If somebody does send you a donation, you can direct message them, send them a message. I think it'll go through their email that they used on that. You can set up post. Which is cool. Let me show you my dashboard here. So far I've had 11 very nice people donate to my Buy Me a Coffee page. You can set a goal, so that would be really good because a lot of times people, if they see a goal, they want to help you attain that. So if you're trying to save up for a camera or your streaming platform service, whatever that happens to be, you could do a goal on there. You could do a membership if you're at that point. I don't think most people in the bearded community are like that, but if you're just kind of catching this on YouTube, you could do that. I'm thinking me for my karaoke, maybe I could, have a custom, if you're a member, you get a custom song a month, or you get a specialized happy birthday song, or for my beards, maybe you get your own beard consultation if you sign up to be a member. I can give you advice on your beards, those kind of things. I'm not planning on setting up a membership anytime soon, but that is a feature that Buy Me a Coffee has on it. Like I said, you could write post. You can post about this on your videos, like in your YouTube videos. You can leave it in your descriptions if you want. There are a couple other things you can do. You can post about it on Instagram. Let me turn off this widget and I'll show you something else you can do. Like you can have it go on. I made this little graphic here that goes along as I'm making my video, and you can have people follow you. And as you're talking about subscribing to your channel or following you on Instagram, you can put, or you can support through buymeacoffee.com. I do think YouTube is going to have something coming soon, and I'm not sure if it's going to be open to everybody, but it's called YouTube Applaud. I think it's Applaud, where it's kind of like a super chat, but people can applaud on watching a video, which will be cool because, you know, for someone like me, I don't do a lot of live streams. So if you don't do a lot of live streams and you only do videos, somebody can still donate to your channel that way, but that's not available yet. So until then, or in support of that, you can also use buymeacoffee.com. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, give you a little food for thought. Let me know if you think you might do this. Sign up for buymeacoffee.com. It doesn't hurt anything. It's free to set up an account. Doesn't cost you anything, and it can't hurt, right? Any little bit helps. So you can check out that link in the description and sign up, and let me know if I can help you with anything with that. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you soon.